Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome to Adore French, and I am Prashansa, your online French facilitator. Today I am back with Leçon 1 of the book Nouvel, Apprendre le Français, partie 0. Today we are going to start with Lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Étudions avec Didou. Now, before we start the lesson, I request all the viewers to please keep your books in front of you so that you can take the important notes from the video and write the meanings. On va commencer. Étudions avec Didou. Let us write the meaning of the lesson first of all. Étudions means let's study. Avec means with. And Didou is the name of the character. Which character that I explained in the previous lesson? Leçon 0. This mice is named as Didou, which is your French friend throughout the journey. In this lesson, we are going to study les salutations. I repeat, les salutations. Please pay attention on the pronunciation to get fluent in French. Les salutations. What are salutations? Salutations means greetings in French. Now, what are greetings in English? Greetings like hello, good morning, hi, bye-bye. So, we are going to learn how to say hello, how to say how are you, how to say bye-bye in French. Let's start. Didou says, Apprenons à saluer en français. La voilà. The meaning is, let us learn to greet in French. Here we go. Écouter et répéter. What is écouter? Écouter means to listen. Écouter means to listen. And répéter means to repeat. Okay, let's do it one by one. Now, the first word that we have is bonjour. Many of you are familiar of this word, isn't it? Bonjour means hello or good morning. I repeat, bonjour means hello and good morning. And we use it only first time when we meet the person in a day. Okay, next is salut. Salut means hi. And this we use with our friends to greet. Now, ma'am, what is the difference between salut and bonjour? Listen, bonjour is a formal way of greeting somebody like your teachers, your parents, strangers. And salut is informal way of greeting somebody like anyone who is younger to you or who is friend with you. We say salut. So what is the difference between salut and bonjour? Bonjour means formal. We use this in formal terms, and salut we use this in informal terms. Next word is como ça va. What is como ça va? Como ça va means hello, how are you? Or hello, how are you doing? Okay, so this is called como ça va. Next is ça va. Ça va, that means are you fine? So if we want to differentiate, we can say como ça va is used to ask in formal way and ça va is used to ask in informal way when you ask how are you to your friends or somebody who is younger to you. Next is bonsoir. I'm not saying bonsoir. I'm saying bonsoir. It's a nasal sound. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. What is bonsoir? Bonsoir means good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. Next is bienvenue. What is bienvenue? Bienvenue means welcome. Now, this welcome is like to welcome somebody at our place. So, bienvenue, welcome. Next, we have two kind of conversations here. First conversation is salutation informelle. Pronunciation. Salutation informelle. Salutation informelle. What does it mean? It means informal salutation or informal greetings. As I told you earlier, bonjour and salut. Now, among these, which one is the informal one? Yes, you are correct. The salut. Salut is informal one. So what we are going to read here? Salutation informelle. Informal salutation means informal greetings. How do we do that? Salut, hi, comment ça va? How are you? Or we can say comment vas-tu? Last letter remains silent. So we'll say comment vas-tu? Salut, comment ça va? And we can also ask comment vas-tu? Hi, how are you? Both of these means how are you? The next conversation is salutation formelle. Formelle. Salutation formelle means formal salutation. Formal salutation or formal greeting. That starts with bonjour, bonjour, hello, or good morning. Comment allez-vous? I do not say comment allez-vous. No, last letter has to be silent. So I'll say comment allez-vous. This is called liaison. When T overlaps the sound of A, this is called liaison. I am saying tale. Repeat after me. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? So if I want to ask to my teacher, how are you? I'll ask them, bonjour madame or bonjour monsieur. Comment allez-vous? How are you? As we move on to the next page, here we will learn comment répondre aux salutations. How does one reply to the greetings? Let us learn. अब ये तो हमने सीख लिया कि how to ask somebody how are you. लेकिन अगर किसी ने आपसे पूछ लिया comment ça va, how are you going to reply? Okay, let us learn. The first word we have is ça va. Ça va means I am fine. Next, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. That means I am doing well, thank you, or I am fine, thank you. Next is ça va bien. Ça va bien, I'm fine, I'm doing good. Next is pas mal. I'm not saying pas mal, I'm saying pas mal. Pas mal. Pas mal means not bad. Pas mal means not bad. Please write down the meanings in your notebook. Pas mal means not bad. Next is ça va mal. Ça va mal. Ça va mal means I'm not well. I'm not feeling good or I am sick. Ça va mal. Next word is comme si comme ça. So comme si comme ça means I am okay okay. Comme si comme ça. I am okay okay. Let's repeat. Ça va, I'm fine. Ça va bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Ça va bien, I'm fine or I'm doing well. Pas mal, not bad. Ça va mal, not good. I'm feeling sick or I am sick. Comme si comme ça means ठीक ठाक. Okay, okay. I am okay, okay. Okay, I got your doubt. Some of you must be thinking, मैम अभी आपने लास्ट पेज में तो बताया था कि सवा मतलब होता है हाउ आर यू, बट हियर यू आर टेलिंग सवा मीन्स आई एम फाइन. हाउ इज इट वर्किंग? सो लेट मी टेल यू अ फन फैक्ट अबाउट द वर्ड सवा. सो सवा इज लाइक ठीक है इन हिंदी. ठीक है वर्ड तो आपने सुना ही होगा. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ठीक है? ठीक है मीन्स क्वेश्चन भी होता है, ठीक है मीन्स आंसर भी होता है. ओके, आई जस्ट क्विकली गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ओवर हियर. Let's say I'm talking to my student Aditya and I ask him, Aditya, ठीक हो? आदित्य कैन सिंपली रिप्लाई टू मी, हाँ मैम ठीक हूँ, और हाँ ठीक हूँ मैम. ठीक है. अभी जैसे मैंने कहा कि ठीक है, तो क्या तुम्हें समझ आया ठीक है? एंड यू विल ऑल रिप्लाई टू मी ठीक है और इट्स क्लियर. सो इज इट क्लियर? इट्स क्लियर. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो दिस व्हाट इज दिस ठीक है? सवा. सो सवा इट्स लाइक क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. Sawa, it's like answer also. So sawa is like ठीक है. Sawa you can use anywhere. You can use to ask question how are you. You can use to reply to yes I am fine. You can use sawa to say okay or I agree. Sawa. Sawa is simply a savior. Maintenant, apprenons à prendre congé. Now let us learn to say goodbye. How to say goodbye in French? Au revoir. This is a little bit trickier sound in French. Repeat after me. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Please write down in the book. Au revoir, goodbye. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt, see you soon. À bientôt. Bonne nuit. What is bonne nuit? Good night. Bonne nuit, good night. À tout à l'heure. Je répète, I repeat. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Next is à plus tard. It's not à plus tard. No. À plus tard. As I told you, last letter remains silent. À plus tard. À plus tard. Next is à demain. It's à demain. À demain. Let's repeat once again. Au revoir. Goodbye. À bientôt. See you soon. Bonne nuit. Good night. À tout à l'heure. See you very soon or see you immediately. À plus tard. See you later. À demain. See you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and with this, I'll take your leave and see you in the next video. Au revoir. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bisous.